Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Thinkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to draw a girl from pencil. Join Inspire Art Thinking on a mesmerizing journey through the world of pencil art. Immerse yourself in the delicate strokes and intricate details that bring nature to life on paper. Experience the magic of Inspire Art Thinkings, where each drawing is a testament to patience and passion. Watch as ordinary sheet of paper transform into a breathtaking vistas under the skilled hand of Inspire Art Thinkings. Delve into the artistic process from the initial sketch to the final masterpiece and uncover the secrets behind capturing the essence of girl with just a pencil. Whether you are an art enthusiast or simply appreciate the beauty of art, Inspire Art Linking is your gateway to a world where art and landscapes seamlessly converge. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for a journey of inspiration and artistic wonder. Uncover the secrets within each stroke as we dive deep into the artistry of Mother Nature. From the gentle rustle of doll in the wind to the mesmerizing pattern they create, this channel is your portal to a world where imagination intervenes with the beauty of the outdoors. Join me on this creative journey where every stroke tells a unique story waiting to be captured on our artistic canvas. Subscribe now and let's embark on this enchanting artistic adventure together. Thank you so much for watching this video.